Hey guys, good morning, good morning. So I am on my way to the airport, but before I go pick up my girlfriend's family from the airport, you know, my truck is dirty, child. Ew, it's dirty. That's what it sounds like. Okay guys, so here I am again. So I know I said I wasn't gonna put that dang on tree up. I went ahead and put it up. But problem now is, so the tree automatically comes with lights. That's not the problem. All of the Christmas decorations and all that other crap is in storage. I went to the storage to go looking for it. That's not gonna happen. There's way too much stuff up in there and I have no idea where it's at. So this is gonna be a real whatever type of tree we decide to put it together as. My daughter told me to come to Target. She said she saw some ornaments or whatever. So I'm like, okay, fine. I'm gonna come in here, see what I can find. You know, Target, it can be very, very bougie. So let me see what I can find and we'll go from there. Okay, so I got another little deal. I just left out of Target and I got this ornament thing here. Let me show you guys. I got this. This is a total of 100 of these. And I got, this is all they had left actually. And I got this. So this did not have a price on it. So she ended up telling me just to tell the lady at the cash register just to give it to me for $10. So I got this and a little one, you know. So as you can see, it was I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. I got another sale, honey. So I got the tree for little to nothing. Got the ornaments for little to nothing. Not too bad. I think I need to go ahead and play the lotto. Maybe I might win something. Anyways, we'll put this up, and if I find something along the way, I'll grab it to jazz up the tree a little bit more. Okay, guys, so now I am in Oklahoma. Taking it over here to this hotel. They done did a lot of, well, they're still doing a lot of construction. Let me show you. And the parking, I park way back here, way back there. And I gotta walk all the way up. So this is a journey. We're gonna get to it. Okay guys, so I am done. I dropped everybody off. They're at the hotel. Well, they're downstairs right now at the casino. I went ahead and I played. I put $20 in. I made $108. Not bad. So once I got that, I cashed out. Got my little extra couple of dollars. And now I am leaving. I am heading on my way back to Texas. So. Hey everyone, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you rock with. Happy free day off, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, today is Christmas. My daughter and I, we are getting ready to head on over here to this, what is it called? The Frisco Town Place or whatever it is. It's some thing they have here, the AT&T stadium, I guess you could call that, but it's not the actual Dallas Cowboys stadium. They have something that's something similar to the Cowboys. I guess you could go over there. I don't know, child. I would just bring you guys along and you can see when I get there. Oh, and here's my lovely daughter. So stay tuned. All right, here we are. I still don't know what this area is called. I think it's called just the Frisco Stadium or something like that. No, the Star. It's called the Star. As you can see, there's tons of people out. Look at the Shih Tzu. He's so cute. That's a well-behaved dog. Very well. Hey guys, so today is going to be one of those Sunday fun days. I guess whenever I decide to get up and get dressed. So excuse the mess. As you can see, I'm on the couch, I'm relaxing. But my daughter and I decided that we're just going to go ahead and have a little fun day. Just go out and eat. We're going to find us a restaurant. We don't know where we're going yet, but I do know we're going to Dallas. So stay tuned. We need to go ahead and get dressed and I will bring you guys along. So you guys have to check them out. This is all they have. They are black owned. And you want to say the name of your company?
Divine Creations 2020.
And then how can they find you?
At Divine Creations 2020 on Instagram and promote you. That's PROMOTE, the letter U 2020. And that's on Instagram as well.
All right. And it's a family, y'all. So y'all got to go out and support. Oh, Lord. Oh, child. I guess so. It's already, somebody already got that one. Let's see. Fix my camera, y'all. Okay, so I want to talk to y'all about some weird stuff that took place today. I thought it was so, like I said before, that restaurant was really good. We went to, it was called Stir. It looks like they do brunch, and then it looks like it turns into like a day party, I guess you could say, around 3, because we was leaving around 3, and that's when we noticed they started carding people, and people was like dressed to the nines. I'm like, oh, okay. So ladies, I don't understand, why do we need to beat down other ladies? It doesn't matter if they're black, white, blue, purple. It doesn't really matter. It comes across more like hating when this is taking place. So my daughter and I, we went, oh, what is going on with my camera today, Lord? It is not wanting to cooperate. Okay, so my daughter and I, as y'all saw, we went out, we did a Sunday fun day, okay? My daughter, you know, we came in and it was a group of people, guys and girls, and we walked past them to go to our booth. So we're sitting literally right next to them in the next booth. It's not like there's no perimeter, no wall, no nothing. So voices carry when there is no noise. So as you can see, this is a workout suit, but it's cute, you know, got on some Air Force Ones with it, whatever. we should be able to wear what we want to wear without someone else feeling like they need to talk shit. So this is what happened today. We walk past, we sit down, my daughter goes to the restroom. While I'm waiting for her to come back, I'm looking over the menu, and the people next door to next to the next seat over, in the next booth, they're in here talking about me. So the guy, he happens to be gay, which is, not saying that, straight guys don't do this, but he was gay. And I hear him, it's brunch. Why is she in here in workout clothes? So I hear the other female laughing or whatever, the one with the sequins top on, talking about, well, maybe she just had to work out. Why is it a problem with what I have on? Why what I have on is such an issue for you? You choose to wear what you wear. Nobody critiqued you. Your fashion is your fashion. It's brunch. I should be able to wear what I want to wear. You wear what you want to wear, right? No harm, no foul. So I just thought that was very interesting that we are still at this day and age that we still feel like we need to talk about each other. I don't care what the next person got on. I'm comfortable with what I have on. If you're comfortable with what you got on, it ain't my business. Who cares? But I just thought I'd share that with you. That it just baffles me how we could just sit there, but you're right next to me and you talking about me. Now, what if I decided to be Sheika from 192nd and 39th Court in Miami? That Sheika that will confront you and dare you to say something back. You don't want them problems, but we older. We have to, just let shit go. Because everything doesn't need a reaction. So that's why I just said let it go. But I thought that was very interesting. I'm like, damn, it's like 9, 10 of them over there. Oh, come on, camera. 9, 10 of them over there carrying on like this. I thought that was so crazy, right? So, okay, the camera don't like y'all today. I don't know why. So that was that. Now let's talk about disgusting men. I don't know what make guys think that this is attractive. So yesterday, the camera decided to hold on. Okay, hold on, camera. I might have to tighten the thing up there because it's just acting up. Yesterday, my daughter and I, on Christmas Day, we did not cook. Nobody had time for that. I was going to cook, but I changed my mind. So we ended up finding a restaurant that was open, place called K-Pop. So we went there. Good food. Now, I will say that's the biggest tip I have ever tipped somebody in my life. Biggest tip, $50. Now, let me tell you why. I felt so bad. My heart went out to him. It was an older guy, Asian guy. He was in there. He's waiting the tables. He's serving the food. He's taking the orders, and he's cooking it. He had a sign there that says, "Please be patient. It's only one person working." I mean, everybody else decided they wasn't going to come in. So he was there by himself, and he had to stay open till 8 o'clock. When we got there, it was around 5. Can you imagine how many more hours he had to do? My heart went out to him. I really wanted to just tell him, hey, just give me an apron and let me, go on back here and, help you out because I know what to do, But, so I felt bad. I gave him a really big tip. I feel like he really deserved that. All the other people that was in there, they was very patient. I saw a lady gave him $200 cash, so he definitely got a good Christmas bonus for being there by himself because the compassion was definitely there. We was all patient. Nobody was pushy, so that was good. Now, let's go back to this situation. Prior to getting ready to get seated, seated down in there, we're standing in line. Of course, my daughter always seems to leave the scene when something crazy happens. I don't know what it is for her. So she runs off to the restroom. Once the guy that was in front of us moved up, there was this brother behind me. Now, I've been noticing his little ass behind me. And I knew that, I had on I like workout pants, y'all. I just like to work out. Workout tights is my thing right now. That's all I like to put on. It's comfortable. I ain't got to worry about dressing up. It's no big deal. So, and yes, I know my booty. Oh, come on, camera. I know my booty is, interesting back there, just like any other woman with a rear end. Come on, camera. This is ridiculous, y'all. I am so sorry. The camera don't like y'all today. It never does this. So, My daughter walks away, the guy walks forward, and then this Negro behind me say, "You got anybody to massage your feet and suck on your toes?" Excuse me, sir? Since when do we just come out and just talk to people like that? Like, that is disgusting. I was completely, I literally wanted to vomit. It was so disgusting. I told him, I said, listen, I got a boyfriend. And he said, well, your man not here with you now. So my man had to be present with me, for you to leave me the fuck alone? Like, that's just so disrespectful. If I have any guys watching, please know that is disrespectful. Everybody is not, everybody, I don't think no female will welcome that, but maybe there are. Maybe he has gotten away with doing this before by telling some female he want to massage their feet and suck on their toes. I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that at all. I wasn't interested, and to me, it was a huge turnoff. Just gross and disgusting that he thought that was okay. So yeah, that was like it rubbed me the wrong way, big time. So that was that, and then oh gosh, trying to get this camera to participate. Jesus Christ, hold on guys, let me see if I can figure this shit out. This camera is like doing what it wants. Definitely doing what it wants. It definitely don't like y'all today. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I really don't have nothing else to say, but yeah, I thought that was disgusting.
I said I like it like that. I said I like it like that. I said